Well, you know, I went to the Army in 41 and stayed in the Army 4 years. And when I got out of the Army, well, in fact, I got wounded in Italy. And I was in the hospital. And well, I'd met my wife, met my girlfriend, let's put it that way. I met her when I was come home on leave, you know. But I got wounded in Italy, and they sent me back to Tuscaloosa, Alabama, to an Army hospital. And when I got out of the hospital down there, we got married. And we've lived in Mitchell County ever since. Okay, I'm going to play one that I wrote myself, and I named it after my wife. I call it Marie's Waltz. It's the last tune I wrote.